Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. You'll never draw this, but it's a really good exercise on some tools and other things, especially the Alt key. And that's my goal right there. But this time I'm going to use a little bit thicker lines. And the first thing I'm going to show off kind of is centering a three-sided polygon in the center of the page. Start with a six-sided and hit P, and then change it to a 3. It's in the center of the page, even though Corel thinks that's the center of the page is actually right there. And look how far off it is. But that's just because of the way Corel's doing it with a bounding box. I can take those guidelines away now. I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to hit P. And you can see that it's in the center. And if I didn't have the triangle in the center, this wouldn't work. I'm going to hold down the shift key, get the two-sided arrow, and try to get about as close to that as I can. Now I'm going to take another ellipse. And I'm going to put it like right there. I'm going to Control D and alternate C to have it rotate from the center. I'm going to rotate it 120 degrees. 120 degrees, 240 total. Now I'm going to take all this, and last time the 36 points wasn't thick enough. That's pretty thick, but we're going to go a little thicker. You know, just remember, just because Corel says 36, that doesn't mean you can't go 45. And then I'm going to, and see, actually we're a little bit, it doesn't matter, but the triangular part got bigger. I'm going to go to Object and convert the outline to an object, and then I'm going to left click, right click. It doesn't really matter that that triangle is a little over the gap, because it really doesn't matter. Now this is where your Alt key is going to help you. I'm trying to grab it. This is where your Alt key is going to help you delete some lines. The first lines we want to delete, I'm going to get the virtual segment delete key, and I'm going to hold down the Alt key, which really doesn't help in this case, because I can just do that. But see, the Alt key does really help. Now we want to get rid of this, all the parts except for the triangle and the outside of the circle. This is where the Alt key is going to help you. I'm going to go right here, hold down the Alt key while I'm here. I'm going to go ahead and hit the Alt key. While I'm here, I'm going to see how it let me turn that angle. Now, I'm not going to mess with that yet. And you know, we could probably actually somehow do that and just delete the other parts and just rotate it. So watch the Alt key, help me do that. The Alt key. No, I didn't want to do that yet. I don't want to do that inside yet. I'll have to go back to the picture. Yeah, I want that circle. So I really just want to get rid of those lines there. So I'm holding down the Alt key because I want that line to continue. This is the line I actually want to get rid of. Well, see, I went too far because I didn't have anywhere to stop. I got ahead of myself. And then here's that turn. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these. And I've got a little bit of a jig right there. I don't know what happened to that. I don't know how that happened, but I'm just going to take away that node and get it back to normal. Let's see if I can't do a better job on this one. Holding down the Alt key. And I'm going to get rid of, see, I didn't hold down the Alt key and it became big. Then I can go and get rid of these, and then I can turn that corner and turn that corner. And I actually want to get rid of that line right there. Now we can go around to the triangle. And if I hold down the Alt key and get rid of that one, I'm going down. So this one is going over that. So I want it to go under that one. Since that one's going over, I want it to go over. Since that one's going over, I want it to go under. That one's going under, so I want it to go over. And since that one is going over and over, I want this one to go under. And you're done. I really think I should have gone more. I'm going to make the triangle blue, but see how it goes and it looks like it's behind there? We're going to use red on the other part. And see, this is just 3 simple steps, but the Alt key is the key to the whole thing because you couldn't delete those lines and you can't weld them. So the Alt key is really your friend when you're using the virtual segment delete key. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody someday, and thank you for watching.